All right. I got all your sales pages done already.
Alrighty, cool.
I'm gonna share that with you right now. I'm gonna show you how everything looks like inside your account right now. And then I'm just gonna go click on sales funnels, and you can see that this is your official website. I didn't touch it. And I imported this sales page funnel for the Legacy Builder 2.0 $900 pack because you are in the $900. And also, I created some tags for you. That's for the capture page. We're gonna be working on it later. And then this is for the legacy, so we can actually tag people. I'm gonna click on it, and it will open up. Okay. So I'm just showing you under the hood right now. Okay. This is your sales page here. It's already connected to freedomdonald.com. This is all programmed, okay, with Stripe and connected. Okay, this is for the checkout page. Okay, checkout page of the $900 order form. And when people pay the $900, they will be directed to $39 website fee, like for the Legacy Builders program, for the resale right, and for the coaching, for everything for the company. That will be redirected to actually pay that. So don't touch anything here. Everything should be working. So the $600 order form is right here. It's already I programmed it for you, and that comes with $39 fee as well. And the $300 form is ready, and the $100 form. So the whole package, and also. The terms and conditions here also connected to freedomdonald.com. Actually took care of that as well. So that comes with the sales funnel. Okay. So that's the legacy sales pages. So like I said before, we always work backward from the back to the front, right? So we finished the website, we got the Stripe, we got all that integrated in Systemi. Now we have all the sales pages, and I'm going to show you how everything looks like. Inside your Stripe account, I created all these payment links for all the products. Okay, for the 900, for the Digital Mastery 600, as you can see, 900, 600, 300, 100, all active right now. Let me show you how it looks like. For example, let's take an example of one of them. It's if I click on edit, it will open up. So this is all the programming I did. This is billing and shipping for all the countries in the world. Okay, this is the graphic. This is for the graphic for each one. For each order has its own graphic. And this is how it looks like when people click on the 900 to pay the $900. And you can accept credit card. You're accepting Afterpay, cash pay. And then it's all in here programmed. And then after payment, when people pay the $900, for example, they will be directed to this link, which is the $39 fee. Okay?
Gotcha.
If I click on payment links, it will go back to all. Okay, so now let's go take a look at everything from the beginning to the end. Now I'm going to click on this funnel, and I'm just going to go and click on view funnel step, starting from the beginning. So this is the first page, right? So that's how it looks like. View funnel step, boom. Okay, this is the sales page. Fast action bonus included. This is for our group only. Okay, there's a video on it. I'm just scrolling here to show you. And that's you. You can always replace that photo if you want to. You just go into the sales funnel, and you can click on, this is the first page, by the way, and you can click on edit page, just to show you down all the way to when you find the page. And this is, you can add another photo too. Okay.
Gotcha.
And you know how to do that right now.
Yeah.
Just click on photo. The gear comes up here. You can X out and upload a new photo.
Gotcha.
And same thing you do. You can upload another photo if you want to. Okay. So that's for if you wanna edit anything. So I'm just gonna exit this page right now. For now, it's looking good. So here, as you can see, I have also bio about you. Okay. You can read it later if you want to. But I chose this bio. In 2025, Donald Green, went from frustration to freedom. Because right now you have a business set up. Okay, you are going from frustration, you're going to freedom. Because frustration means most people fail online because they don't know how to set up all this technical shit.
Correct. Exactly.
And I removed that frustration from you.
And I appreciate that. You don't know how much.
You can read the whole thing. Okay. And it goes all the way down, and it continues. Okay. All the way. Has all the testimonials for the program, has everything. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 and all the buttons. Okay, let's test it. Okay, boom, click on that, and it's linked, should be linked to the $600 checkout page. See how beautiful it is?
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Okay, put your photo here again.
Hmm.
Okay, Donald Green, your link. If I click on this green button right now, boom, it should take people to also check out again.
Hmm.
And that's, they can pay with link. They can actually do that, and they can pay with all kind of payments for now available for everyone. Okay,
Okay.
after pay is very interesting also. So people choose that, and this is the digital mastery. I put you have all this graphic also for the product they are purchasing. Okay, and your name is up here. See that?
Yes, I do. Uh-huh.
So in Stripe, so you are getting the payment into your Stripe account.
Perfect.
That's your Stripe account actually. So if I close that, go back to the pages for the 300, same thing is working. That's going to give them the $300 package, which is the
I
passive
see.
daily deal. Okay, see that?
Hmm.
All linked beautifully. If I click on the green button here, it should work also. It goes to checkout again, 300, and it will register. It will register that payment inside the Sistemi, and you will receive notification from Stripe that you got a sale. Okay,
Okay.
so everything is linked nicely, exact same way that I have linked my business. So I'm not doing anything different here. Okay, same thing for the
Perfect.
$100 packet. It's there for people to choose. Okay,
Hmm.
it's working. Boom.
Hmm.
Click on the green button, takes you to the $100 package with the graphic on it. So this is a full business setup. It's already done. Okay, now ready to get started. If somebody click on enroll today, it will take them to where? To the $900 package. Always goes to the $900 package.
Okay.
Okay,
Good.
so if I click on that, click here to enroll today, it should work. Boom, it should take them to where?
$900. Yep.
The whole button. Okay, and that's also designed nicely for you, as you can see. Okay, and
Mhm.
that, if you click on the green button here, all the Visa, credit cards, everything is there. And then, boom, we got the $900 with the logo, with everything, with the graphic. Okay, and
Very
then
good.
all sales are final, no refunds or exchanges will be provided. Anyone who actually purchases any product from us, it's already there. So all sales
Mhm.
are final. So no refunds, because your people cannot just come back and say, "Hey, listen, I want to give you, I want a refund or exchanges." This is digital stuff. This is coaching. This is programs. Once you
Absolutely.
pay
Yeah.
for it, there's no way I can return that. It's not like it's not a T-shirt
Mhm.
you buy from Costco,
Correct.
right?
Correct. Absolutely.
And then especially when we are giving access to bonuses and we are doing a lot of hard work and helping everyone. So there is no. So it says here literally, and I never had any problem with anybody. So go back to the sales page again, and then in the beginning of it, here, this is the big button. The first on the page, somebody decided to go right away. They just click on this button,
Mhm.
and then it will take them to the $900 package.
Okay.
All working beautifully. I spent I think 2 days on it, yesterday and the
Wow.
day before yesterday. Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, it takes time. If you want to know what I did, and you
Mhm.
want to know, okay, how did Adam do everything?
Mhm.
Because you want to learn that, there is a video here. It says Legacy Builders Funnel Setup live demo. I did it actually with another client from London,
Oh, okay.
and you can watch that video and you can
Mhm.
see exactly. We actually did the setup, the same setup I did it for you. We did it on video.
Perfect.
So if you want to go back and watch it later on, you can. That's yours. So this is the reason why I created this membership area for my members only, and you have access to it, so people can always go back and say, okay, how did he do this? Okay, it's recorded. My experience for the last 6-7 years. Okay, people like the done for you setup and done for you stuff, and I am happy to offer that and do it for them. And I did it for you. I'm doing it for you, no problem. But
Mhm.
the question would be here in this case, okay, you're done, your business is getting set up. Now you start promoting, you start doing, stuff online on YouTube, and start promoting, actually maybe you run into someone at Starbucks, and you say, and they ask you, hey, what do you do for a living right now? Well, I got two businesses. I got one digital business that earns me 100% profit actually. If you want to check it out, go to freedomdonald.com.
Mhm. Mhm.
Simple as that. And they will go there and they check it out and they say, "Hey, Don, this is interesting." They contact you and say, "I want to join you. I want to actually get into the legacy builders program.
Mhm,
And I
mhm.
see that you guys are offering some bonuses, and I see some bonuses going on there. Boom, boom, boom. You say, yeah, I can help you actually get it. You buy it from me, I'll set it up for you and help you to get set up. Now, if you don't know how to help that person, you're gonna get stuck. That's your client. That's number one. Number two, let's say I help you. Let's say I say, okay, Donald, pay me $250, and I will spend 2 days to do this. Let's see. Let's see. Example. What about the next client and the next
Right.
client?
It doesn't
and the
help
next-
me. Yeah.
It's not gonna help you.
No.
I can give you the fish or teach you how to fish. And here's a cool thing: you are using my bonuses as yours.
Mhm.
That's a bonus. So
Mhm.
when you have a client, you are going to give access to the private membership area,
Right.
and they can actually go and install it themselves if they want to,
Mhm.
if they choose to, and you can actually be with them and help them, be on a video, Zoom, whatever. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and then you can just do it together. It's fun. You're learning, and they are learning.
Mhm.
So this is the reason why I created those videos. So this way, I do it, done for you, and also it's done with you. So I just want to explain that, very important. Make sure to log in here and just click on the first video with your customer and say, hey, listen, go ahead and actually follow the steps that Adam laid out.
Mhm.
Get set up. All the buttons are here and the videos here. Join Systemi. Boom, click, you can join Systemi. Okay, next video, 5-10 minutes. Get your domain name from Namecheap. Boom, click on Namecheap, get the domain, get domain and domain integration. This is how it's done. Adam showed you on screen.
Mhm.
So that's the first thing to get the foundation set up, domain names and email and business email. Once they have that and integrated with Systemi, then your bonus website, that's a video about it. They can actually import the website from here. Boom. So second module is this one, sales funnel setup. If you click on it, the first video is about how to set up the Legacy Builders program funnel. It's step by step how to import it. They click on this link. That funnel will get imported right into their system. They have to be logged in Systemi, of course, and it will end up here.
Okay.
And then they can follow the video. Now you know how to set up a new client with the foundation and everything. Now it becomes like really rinse and repeat. Next client,
Right.
same thing. So it's not really difficult at all. I know in the beginning when you first start something, it's gonna be like a learning curve, but actually I'm trying to eliminate it as much as possible.
I appreciate that.
Okay, so we are here. We are done with this. So the next one is now it's actually how to import the bridge system. If I click on it right now, I don't know if you've seen this page before. You've seen it before.
I believe I have. Yeah.
Now mine look slightly different than yours because I have the Spanish version.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yours is going to look exactly the same thing. We're gonna have your photo here, and the title is gonna be the same, except for here I have my story. I have something else for you. And to enter, they have to put their first name. But I'm just gonna do a test here, quick test. I'll put Donald, for example.
Sure.
And then I will put in like for any email address. Okay, when they click on gain access, it will take them to the bridge page. This is what you are going to get from me. This is next. This is what we are going to do right now. So, okay, and then it has all the bonuses on it that we offer for the group only.
Okay.
Here, Legacy Power Deal, that's what we have. And that's going to be on your page as well. Same, you're going to get a clone of this, okay? Because you basically, you're actually, when people come to your first page and they come here, they watch training, they are going to buy from here. And because here you are offering bonuses, right?
Correct. Yep.
What are you offering? You're offering done for you legacy install. They are getting access to my membership area, which is I have all the videos there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you are using my bonuses as yours.
Wow. Cool. Yep.
So you are cloning the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now we got a business installed for you. Now we get bonuses done for you. Now you get everything done for you. All you have to worry about just get people into your freedomdonald.com capture page, the first page. They opted in, and then here, let's say they want to now move forward. It says here, yes, launch my 100. If they click on this button, where it takes them where? It takes them to the page that we just built for you.
Correct.
The sales page.
Correct.
So we are right now. You are here, but you don't have the bridge page, and you don't have the opt-in page. Now you may ask me, okay, how do we install this? So this is going to be the next lesson